The 4 key reasons why you need to sell your own products. A lot of list marketers hesitate to sell their own products. They think they can only use affiliate products. They think that it's just too much effort to sell your own products and are afraid of wasting time. In fact, they can come up with 1001 reasons why they'd rather not sell their own products. Let me tell you, there are 4 main reasons why you should invest the time and money to sell your own products. In fact, this can mean the difference between making a profit and continuing to struggle. Reason number 1. You can convert more with a sales page that you control. When you sell your own product, you are in full control of the sales page, selling that product. You can focus on certain emotions. You can position the product in a certain way. You can make all sorts of decisions that can increase the conversion rate of your sales page. You don't have such power over the typical affiliate product sales page. You can make a preliminary sales page that your traffic has to go through before ending up at the affiliate product's landing page. However, at the end of the day, you are still at the mercy of the affiliate products vendor's sales skills. What if they don't know how to sell? What if they send conflicting signals? You work hard to send that traffic only to lose it all because that page you dumped the traffic on flat out sucks. Reason number 2. You are able to engineer a product that appeals directly to your niche audience. Nobody knows your niche audience better than you. Well, at least if you know how to market properly, you should have a clear idea of what your audience needs. The problem with affiliate marketing is that you're trying to reconcile the actual needs of your audience with the benefits of the product you are pushing. This is not always a tight fit. In fact, in many cases, there are gray areas. You really have to massage your communication flow with your niche audience to fully see the value product that you are promoting brings to the table. You won't have this problem when you are selling your own product because you can build a product from the ground up based on your niche's audience's feedback. There is no guesswork involved. There is no need for you to fit a square peg into a round hole. You can make sure that everything fits smoothly and easily from day one. Reason number 3. You get more control over refunds. I don't know about you, but most affiliate marketers hate refunds. Imagine starting out in affiliate marketing, making a few $1,000s in the first week, feeling really pumped up. Then the refunds start coming in, and it seems they won't stop. Then you look at your bank account and almost all the profits vaporized. That's how bad refunds can be. Unfortunately, you really can't control them if you are selling an affiliate product. You are at the mercy of the customer support skills and policies of the company behind the affiliate product you are pushing. If you are tired of refunds, why don't you take full control of selling your own products? You can service your customers more intimately and send the right signals in such a way that instead of having to shell out a refund, you might even get additional sales. Reason number 4. You get to bolster your brand. By selling your own products, you can end up with a solid gold niche brand. How? Well, your product can speak to how professional and caring your brand is to a specific audience. Your product may be so awesome that you developed a solid gold reputation in your target market. You don't get this with an affiliate product because there are many other marketers selling the same product. Keep the 4 reasons above in mind if you are still on the fence regarding selling your own product. If you have been in the list marketing game for any period of time, it's probably dawned on you that you need to at least sell a dollar product. This is a great way to segment your mass list into 2 buckets: tire kickers and buyers. Still, if you really want to take your profit margins to a whole new level, you need to sell your own products.